I've just launched the Factory 5 collection, so I'm going to go through each of the products which they've just released. Chanel have released this because it's kind of the 100th anniversary of the release of Chanel No. 5, the most iconic perfume in the world. I say kind of, I've got another video on how it sort of is, sort of isn't. Now, before we get into these products, I've reviewed a whole bunch of really famous perfumes which are then reformulated into things like body lotions, hand creams, etc. Of those, I have to say, No. 5 is the one fragrance whose characteristics hold up the most authentically. The smell of No. 5, the mix of the aldehydes and the other sort of base notes to it, is such an iconic fragrance that it cuts through almost every formulation. So I've not tried any of these products yet. I've ordered a bunch of them and I'm going to do reviews as soon as they come in. So let's talk about the 17 products in the new range, and I'm going to start from the ordinary and end with the frankly weird. Kicking off, we've got the Eau de Parfum spray. £120, $138. From what I see, this is pretty much just standard No. 5. It comes in a biodegradable blister pack packaging. So, mildly interesting, but it's pretty much what you can buy every day. There's also a No. 5 Low spray, although the details on the site are a little bit confusing because the details actually talk about the No. 5 Eau de Parfum, though the visuals are the Low, so I'm assuming this is the Low formulation. Again, it's the classic bottle, but they've got the biodegradable paper pulp outer casing to it. Next, we have the Eau de Toilette in the purse spray. It's £40, $55. From the look of it, this is pretty much, again, exactly the same one that Chanel have released for quite a while. It's a beautiful purse spray. I have one myself with sycamore in it, funnily enough. And you can also get some refills for that, which are £56, $65. So, again, quite traditional, but we're now starting to move to the more unusual things from Chanel. They've released a No. 5 sparkling body gel. It's £60, I think $75. Now this is a bit limited edition. Chanel have released Fragment Door, No. 5 Fragment Door, and that's come out as a limited edition, I think, for 2 Christmases and not necessarily consecutive ones. So that's hard to get your hands on. If this is anything like that, that is a beautiful product, so I would snap this one up. Next, we've got the body lotion. Again, they've done body lotions in No. 5, but here the packaging is starting to get strange. So for collectors, this is where things might start to get really interesting. This is either in a stand-up pouch at £48, $55, or you can get some little travel tubes at £48, $55 also. There's a body cream, which comes in a big tube. Yeah, okay. Body oil. Now, annoyingly, the body oil isn't available online in the UK at the moment. Love the packaging for this. It's a weird little oil can. Reminds me of WD-40 or something. £60, $75. Then there's an awful lot of shower gel. There's a big pack of shower gel, refillable bottle at £56, $75. There's 20 little cartons in a can of paint, and there's some travel-friendly little tubes as well. There's also some bath tablets. This is interesting if we look at the history of Chanel and No. 5. Some of the inspirations behind No. 5 were about the idea of cleanliness that comes from Coco Chanel's childhood. So it's interesting to me that they have brought out quite a few things which to do with cleaning. There's the bath tablets, as I say, £56, $75, that come in a interesting It says collectible tea tin. Well, it's all collectible. And then there's soap in what seems to be a shoe polish tin at £40, $45. Yes, a single piece of soap. Next, we get into the range of strange products that they've released. There's a mystery box, £56, $65. The mystery here is they seem to say on the website what the contents are. So how is it a mystery? Maybe they throw in a sort of unknown random product in each one. Not sure. Tilting over the edge into insanity, we have 5 rolls of decorative tape at £45 or $55. Yes, tape. You can have sticky tape with Chanel on and stick it to your items. And last, and certainly my favourite, because this is a product which I managed to find on the website before it's released, because I think they had an error in the code. They have actually released a bottle of water. It's £56 or $75 for a bottle of water that it says has the same visual identity of a number 5 perfume bottle. Well, I've ordered a bunch of those products. I'll review them as soon as they come in, so subscribe for more.